Shift your weight between your legs, place your hands around the lady's waist rather low, embrace her, then rotate counterclockwise, leading her to your left side, at the same time shifting your weight to the right leg and bending your right knee, like this. Now, straighten your elbows and bend your knee more to lead the lady into the dip. At the same time, tilt your upper body backward to create the counterweight. It should look like this. When the lady is in the dip, shift your weight to the left leg, keeping your upper body tilted back and moving with a circular motion. Let's show this without the lady. So first, embrace her, turn, lead her into the dip, then shift your weight to the opposite leg, focusing on drawing a shape of a semicircle with the lady's head in front of you. At that point, pull the lady back up, straightening your knee at the same time, getting close to each other. It will look like this together. Turn, into the dip, draw the semicircle, and pull her back up, straightening your knee. Now the lady's perspective. Place your hands on the man's shoulders, and as he starts leading you to the side, take a step with the right leg and shift your weight to the right leg, rotating with him. So it all happens together with the partner. Once you get to this point, keep most of your weight on the right leg and start tilting your head and upper body backward. At the same time, straighten your elbows and slide your hands down the man's arms to be able to go lower. At the same time, your hips must go forward to the man to create the connection with him through the hips. This is the base of your pose and it stays together even when you rotate. Notice that you are practically rotating on the right leg, the left one is just the support, but keep both your knees slightly bent and relaxed. Straighten them at the end when you get back up. Ladies, make sure to really let your head go back and down to make this pose visually bigger. Notice also that the head is the last part of your body that gets back up when you get out of the pose. While getting back to the vertical position, shift your weight between your legs. To 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to 1, 2,